released for a service. So apart from the servicing, there is one more addition which will be added to the bike, and I'm pretty excited for that addition. So I will let you know once we reach the workshop. Guys, reach the workshop. Here is the best standing outside. There are other Hayabusas too, and this is where I get my servicing done always. More than 5 years I've been getting the service done here itself with Hafiz. Any performance oriented upgrades, any aesthetic updates, everything is done with his guidance. There's another interesting Buza, I don't know whose, it's done very tastefully done. The chrome wheels. There is an R1. A lot of other bikes. These are the new oils. Very little of the brake pads left, so I'll be changing the brake pad as well.
ಹೌದಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Got the new brake pads. The cost has increased. 4,300 rupees. Alright guys, this is what I was talking about, the performance upgrade which we are going to make. So if most of you can identify, this is the QuickThrottle. So I'm going to install this QuickThrottle for the Buza so that we get better response. So bike is going to be very aggressive, I guess. So we'll be changing both the grips. This installation is done. This is the stock one. You can see this particular thing is smaller than the QuickThrottle. QuickThrottle, it comes a little bit broader and taller, so that when you roll the throttle, it's going to roll a little bit more. So you get that required RPM. It comes to the required RPM band a little bit earlier. Along with the throttle update, we are also upgrading, installing the Aoocci CarPlay. So we'll be installing this Aoocci C6 Pro, which has got camera, TPMS, GPS, all those things. That will be installed on our Buza. So there is a lot of loadings in this bike. I've installed the Shiro battery, which is very lightweight. quick shifter module. And here you can see the Brembo RCS 19 Corsa brake levers. Okay, most of the work is done. I'm done with the service. I'm done with installing the camera and the CarPlay. I have a controller here and the front camera. The throttle is also installed. So once start riding in the highway, I'll get to know the difference. So probably at that time I will share the experience of how it is with the -1 sprocket. Currently it is running with -1 front sprocket. I'm not sure if it will be too aggressive, so I'll have to see. If it is very aggressive, then I will have to shift to the stop sprocketing in the front. And let me show how it looks. This is how the screen is. So let's catch up in another video with the experience of the quick throttle.